That's right, Erica. When you're looking at buying a home, it's easy to focus on the actual price of the home. But experts say you have to take into account you're your own landlord. So if your air conditioning breaks, you fix it. If your roof needs fixing, you're the one that fixes it. Having said all of that, buying a new home may be easier than you think. For Noemi Cifuentes, cooking at home is just one of many ways she saves money. She saved enough to buy her first home as a single mom of 3 kids.
Walk-in closet, and it's very comfortable. The size is perfect.
Something she'd been dreaming about after 9 years of renting.
I want to give my kids a home where they can say it's our house. Instead, this is a place where we live.
The purchase price for Noemi's Eastside house, $110,000. Her down payment, $2,000. Noemi worked with Indianapolis Neighborhood Housing Partnership, a nonprofit that helps Hoosiers buy a home. INHP says it's a big misconception that you need a 10 to 20% down payment to buy a house.
And that typically you're looking at about 3% of the price of the home. So just to make the math easy, if you're purchasing a $100,000 home, typically you need about $3,000 saved for down payment.
Another misconception is that you have to have sparkling credit to buy a home.
Clients walk in and they say, well, what do I need my credit score to be approved for a home loan? And there's really no answer to that.
Buyers in central Indiana are having to hustle to get a good deal as inventory shrinks and home prices increase. Records show the median sales price is up 7% to $169,000.
If at all possible, get pre-qualified. Most financial institutions will actually take your credit information and pre-approve you for a certain limit on a home. It makes the buying experience much smoother and easier. You don't go for a McMansion that you really can't afford.
Make sure to shop around for a lender. Sites like LendingTree and Bankrate will do a side-by-side comparison.
Don't always focus 100% on rates. Sometimes closing costs and some of the incidentals will more than compensate for the rate.
Noemi's mortgage payment is just over $700 a month, similar to what her rent was, but now she's building up equity and a legacy.
This is mine. It will be mine. It will be something I can say, this is for you, children.
She and her children often do things at home to save money. To make sure they can keep their house, Noemi plans to budget and work 1 or 2 jobs. She encourages other people to make small sacrifices to make their dreams come true.
You just have to show yourself that you want the house. You really want a house.
Experts say the best way to keep your home is, of course, to pay your mortgage on time. Now, if that's not possible, talk to your lender about what your options are. INHP also offers a service where they will do a crisis budget for you if you get into financial hardship. We're live in Greenwood. Kara Kenny, RTV6.